Welcome to DerekWeaver.com. In this video we're going to show you how to navigate user settings on the W-987 wheel balancer. We are going to walk you through the setup of the machine. The first thing to do is to hit the F key from the home screen. This takes you to the main menu. Use the DIA plus key to navigate to the setup menu. Hit the F key to enter setup. This particular function is the grams function. If you hit the F key, you can enter that setting. This tells you whether the machine is set up to balance in grams or ounces. If it's on, it's set to grams, as you can see in the left-hand corner. If you turn it off, it's set to ounces, as you can see in the left-hand corner. We recommend setting this setting to off. And to save that setting, hit the F key. And we'll navigate to the next setting using the DIA plus key. This is the INC, which stands for inches. To enter that setting, hit the F key. This relates to wheel diameter. It says that we're going to measure our wheel diameter in inches if it's on. If it's off, it's set to millimeters, as you can see in the left-hand corner there. Inches, left-hand corner. And you can adjust that setting using the DIA plus and DIA minus keys. Once it's set to on, hit the F key to save it. Use the DIA plus key to navigate to the next setting. The next setting is NAT, which stands for material. Enter that setting by hitting the F key, and you can set this to FE, which stands for zinc or iron, and you can change it using the DIA plus or DIA minus. The PB setting is for lead weights. The FE setting is for zinc or iron weights. We recommend using zinc or iron weights. And once you've chosen that, you can hit the F key to save. Use the DIA plus key to navigate to the next setting. You can enter that setting by hitting the F key. And you can adjust this to -1 or -5 using the DIA plus or DIA minus key. The -5 setting is what we recommend, and that just indicates that you're using 1/4 ounce weight increments, which is typical in the US market. To save the setting, hit the F key, and we'll navigate to the next setting using the DIA plus key, and we're back to the gram setting where we started. To exit the setup, hit the stop key, and then hit the stop key again to get back to the home screen. Hit the F key to enter the main menu. Hit the DIA plus key to navigate to the parameter settings. Hit the F key to enter parameter settings. Our first setting is threshold. To enter that setting, hit the F key. This can be adjusted using the DIA plus and DIA minus keys. This setting should be set to 7. Once it's at 7, hit the F key to save the setting. Use the DIA plus key to navigate to the next setting. This one is spin, and this is just an informational setting. It tells you how many cycles the machine has gone through since new. This one's at 194. To exit that setting, hit the F key. Navigate to the next setting using the DIA plus. This setting is gauge. And the gauge allows you to turn the automatic distance and diameter function on and off. You can adjust on and off using DIA plus or DIA minus. We recommend using that function. Once it's set to on, hit the F key to save that. Use the DIA plus key to navigate to the next setting. This is LAR. We're going to skip this function. This is related to capturing the wheel width, which this machine doesn't have that function. So we'll navigate to the next setting using DIA plus. This is the illumination setting. To enter that setting, hit the F key. The illumination setting is a light that comes on for weight placement on the inside of the wheel. It's a nice feature. You can change it to on and off using the DIA plus and DIA minus key. We recommend that this setting be set to on. To save the setting, hit the F key, and we'll navigate to the next setting. which is LAS. This is the laser setting. Enter the laser setting using the F key. You can see it's set to on. You can adjust it using DIA plus and DIA minus. And this machine is equipped with the laser function. We recommend using the laser function as it is more accurate for weight placement. To save that setting, hit the F key. And we're going to navigate to the next setting. The next setting is P. Enter that setting using the F key. The P setting relates to hood start. So when you shut the hood, the machine comes on if it's set to on. You can change the setting to off or on using DIA plus and DIA minus keys. We recommend setting that to on. To save the setting, hit the F key. Use the DIA plus key to navigate to the next setting. And this again is an informational setting. It allows you to set the machine to give you a warning or a notification that the machine needs to be calibrated. This is a user set function. You can change it on and off using DIA plus and DIA minus. And another feature you have is changing the number of cycles to request notification using the LAR plus and LAR minus keys. We don't see this as a necessary function, so we recommend you leave this setting off. To save the setting, hit the F key. Navigate to the next setting using the DIA plus key. And this is the aluminum function setting. To enter that setting, hit the F key. And this setting allows you to turn on or turn off the ALU 2 through 5 modes. You can change the setting using the DIA plus or DIA minus key. We recommend turning this setting off and using the ALS function or aluminum smart modes. To save the setting, hit the F key and use the DIA plus key to navigate to the next setting. This is the North American setting. Hit the F key to enter the setting, and you can change it to on or off using the DIA plus or minus keys. This setting allows you to set the machine North American on, which means it's for use in the North American market, and then there's also a European and Asian market. Since we're in North America, we're going to set that to on. Once it's set to on, hit the F key to save the setting and navigate to the next setting, which is THR. That's where we started the threshold setting. So at this point we can exit the parameter setting by hitting the stop key and exit the main menu by hitting the stop key, and we're back at the home screen. This concludes navigation of user settings on the W-987 wheel balancer. Thank you for choosing DerekWeaver.com for all your automotive equipment needs.